I'm telling you that nowadays earphones have never looked so good. With the Apple AirPods leading the race, other companies are determined to throw their hat in the ring and bring forward a more affordable option for the average consumer. But that doesn't mean they have to fall short on sound and build quality. These are the Gpods by HHOGene, and what truly makes these stand out from the crowd is that you can customize these with, well, over 300,000 color combinations. Not to mention the ability to swap out the faceplates with a selection of unique and personalized looks for you. These are a truly unique product, so let's dive into the video and unbox these guys. Thankfully, with a unique design comes a rather impressive premium packaging. They have done a really good job at providing you an upmarket unboxing experience. In the center, we do indeed have our Gpods, which are surrounded by 4 sets of unique faceplates. Talk about those a bit later on. If we open up the main box and open up the accessories flap, on top we will find an abundance of rubber earpieces, ranging from small to large. Now this is certainly not something every manufacturer does, so it is nice to see. Under that, we do have another box which contains the USB Type-C charger. So the charging case the earphones come in, it is plastic, however it has a premium looking matte rubberized material which does a fantastic job at deterring fingerprints and light scratches. It weighs near to nothing. Even with the earphones in, there's hardly any weight to it. There is a light indicator on the front. Now this will tell you when you are charging and if you have any juice left in the charging case itself. The earbuds actually have an impressive hypercharging ability. They can produce 5 hours of continuous battery life on a single charge. And when you partner that up with the case, you can get well over 20 hours of usage. Now, it is worth noting straight away that the power life will be shortened to around 3 hours if you enable the light effects. But even 3 hours, well, it isn't half bad considering you have the charging case for backup. If you charge these for 10 minutes, you can get around 2 hours of listening time. So all in all, when it comes to the battery life, there's really nothing to grumble about here. These certainly have a unique shell design, but there is a library of shell covers to choose from on their site, and what is great, you can constantly keep them updated. You don't just have to settle with the ones you've got. They all come in these acrylic cylinders, which is a really nice touch. You just remove the top plastic and slide them out. They clip on rather easy and they fix in quite well. You need to apply quite a bit of force to remove them, so I wouldn't be too concerned about them popping off when you're out and about, but it is still possible, so it might be worth going easy on them. Now the shell covers really do add a unique touch, but these earphones don't truly come alive until you pair them with the designated app. When you open up the HHOGene app, this is where everything becomes so much more exciting. Once you simply connect the earbuds up to your phone via Bluetooth, the app enables you to control a whole range of aspects the earbuds have to offer, including the lighting. The app is a gorgeous interface, and I'm not just saying that, you can see it for yourself. You can tell they've spent a lot of time on it. In the color theme section, there are some really nice preset options. They have all got unique names and they all offer a different and unique style to the earbuds and your chosen shell overlay. If you go through to the shared section, you'll be able to have access to a load more, including set gradients and even more unique colors inspired by popular tourist locations. But it doesn't stop there though. The unique light feature has the ability to blend in with its surroundings by using artificial intelligence with algorithmic capabilities that allow for your photos to be analysed and in turn matching the colour ratios to create a light show off a memory you've had. Colours for each pixel point in an image are sorted in order. These colour blocks are transformed into light, which is then projected in a colourful style to each earbud. You can literally wear a memory. I thought this was a truly unique feature that makes these earphones stand out from the competitors. The light control section of the app can make those chosen colours dance, from a ripple effect all the way to breathing. Each one offers a unique way of showcasing that admitted light, and it will do a complete sync with whatever you're playing. The faster the beat, the more stares you're gonna get. Noise control is where it really takes the gear up too, with the ability to turn on noise cancellation. The Gpods use active noise cancellation technology and feed-forward topology to achieve this. So in essence, by turning this on, you should notice a reduction in background noise and interference. Even nearby sounds, including voices, are detected, and the earphones filter them out without distortion through the AI system on board. It is really really clever. And then you can go to transparency mode. It will allow external noises in, and this would be brilliant when you want ambient music, but still want to be fully aware of what's going on around you. These are completely touch control enabled, and they can be customized to however you like. In the app, you can set how you want to operate the touch mode. It's entirely up to you and completely customizable. Thankfully, all the features aren't just a fad, as the audio quality is exceptional, and I truly mean that. These have high definition audio, which features 10mm dynamic drivers that deliver great clarity, tone and bass overall. HD audio coding technology optimizes the depth of sound, sense of presence and dynamics to get this quality of sound. The Gpods are a truly unique set of earbuds that allow the average consumer to dare to shine with their individuality. You can customize these to be personalized to just you and wear those photo memories in the form of light with pride. Be sure to check out the Gpods in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.